To guarantee long-lasting machine efficiency and protect your investment, we provide integrated specialized service and spare parts packages. These are designed to ensure proactive maintenance management and provide advanced services to handle any unscheduled work and solve unexpected problems fast. Smart Service and Secure Service offer clear advantages and benefits for the management of spare parts. They extend the machine life cycle, they reduce maintenance-related downtimes, a network of experts helps eliminate unforeseen events. Activate the package to access Smart Service and Secure Service maintenance plans and personalised coverage. Smart Service lets you monitor the health of your machines in real time. It also lets you plan and optimise tasks and check costs. Secure Service extends the warranty to protect you against any unanticipated events. Maintenance plans, Smart Service and Secure Service.